In this video, we will talk about how to fix USB mouse not working Windows 10. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Start with hardware basic testing. First, you have to unplug the USB mouse. Wait for 10 seconds before you plug the mouse back in. Check your USB port by switching from USB 3.0 to USB 2.0 or vice versa. If you have a wireless peripheral, then confirm the mouse is powered on, batteries are good, and the USB dongle is firmly connected. Method 2. Reset device manager drivers. Press and hold Windows icon key, then press R on your keyboard. Type device manager command and press enter. Press tab key and down arrow key. Select mice and other pointing devices. Now press right arrow key. Use down arrow key and select HID compliant mouse and press enter. Now use tab key and right arrow key to select driver. Use tab key again and select uninstall device and press enter. Again press enter to uninstall the driver. Now use down arrow key to select universal serial bus controllers. Expand it using right arrow key. Select USB root hub using down arrow key and press enter. Use tab key and right arrow key to select driver tab. Now use tab key and select uninstall device. Press enter. Again press enter to uninstall the driver. You have to follow the same for another USB root hub driver. Select USB root hub and press enter. Then driver tab and uninstall the device. Now press and hold Windows icon key, then press R, type shutdown/R/T0 and press enter. This will restart your computer. After reboot, Windows will auto-install the driver. Here you can see my mouse is working fine. So that's how you can fix USB mouse not working Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.